tower behind the landing 747, enter 26 left, that mic behind. Fire 2 plus 1 behind landing 747, short front, enter 26 left, that Charlie behind.
Fire 2, 26 left,
Fire 6 behind landing 747, enter 26 left, that Delta behind.
Fire 6 behind landing 747, enter 26 left, and Delta behind. Tower Fire 3.
Fire 3 tower.
Fire 3 plus 1, permission to enter 26 left once the local traffic has come to a stop, wherever that may be.
Fire 3, roger, report you.
Go ahead.
Ops 1 tower.
All safe, left side port smoking undercarriage.
Ops 1, roger.
Problem with 26 left, close that time 15:46.
Roger, 26 left, close time 1546. Fire through, enter runway 26 left via Foxtrot Romeo.
Fire 3 plus 1, entering 26 threshold.
Virgin 43, okay, can you see any smoke fire on the right hand side?
Virgin 43 Echo, at the moment you're right into sun. I can't see anything from here, but if you contact the fire service 121.6, they're on team.
It's on tilt, the engine's maybe 2 metres above the gear is up.
Tower leader 4 plus 3, holding at Yankee 1, cross, then Yankee cross.
Leader 4 plus 3, cross runway 26 left now from Yankee to Charlie.
Left now, Yankee, Charlie, leader 4 plus 3.
But he's balanced the whole plane on that 3 gear, with the right gear up.
Leader 5.
The whole plane is balanced, it's like tilted to the right, but other than that, it's absolutely perfect landing, there'll be no damage yet.
Leader 5 plus 4, enter runway 26 left.
Not yet, no evacuation, because it's
Leader 4 plus 3, roger.
they made, yeah, absolutely, yeah, I mean, he bounced it pretty well.
Tower Ops 1.
Ops 1.
Sir, permission to enter runway 26 left.
Ops 1 down into 26 left.
Enter 26 left, Ops 1.
Emergency steps there which came out when they've come back.
Yeah.
I noticed a convoy of about 10 vehicles come
Yeah,
from the
yeah,
other end of the airport,
You won't-
engineering vehicles.
You won't see a better landing than that in that situation. You really won't. Look at the
I
engines.
thought it was quite close for flaps to touch them with.
It was very close, but the whole time it was all completely controlled. Aileron to the left, as you said, he's absolutely greased it. Engine's going down now. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. That's what I was hoping for.
Tower leader 4 plus 3 again, permission to re-enter 26
I'm not
left.
going to lie, I'm a bit disappointed.
Leader 4 plus 3, enter runway 26 left.
Fox Romeo into 26 left, leader 4 plus 3.
A little bit of leaning, but apart from that,
That was it, yeah. It's absolutely mental. You turn the engines off now, there'll be a full evacuation.
that's good. Are you going? You're not going to get any of the after?
No, we're going to be the first one that gets him up.
Yeah.
That's, I mean, he's perfect, really, isn't it? It's absolutely perfect landing. He's somehow balanced the whole aircraft on those 3 wheels. As you said, he's probably put more fuel into left tanks.
Yeah.
And full left aileron as it slowed down as well. I mean, he's even got it straight down the centre line.
That's good.
That's unbelievable landing that was.
Or she, might be a she.
Or she. Well, I think the captain on the thing was a
Oh,
bloke.
of course it was, yeah.
I think it was a bloke, yeah. It might be normally it's the first officer on the landing.
It was a bloke or Pat Butcher.
Yes. Oh, I better go.
See you around. Nice to meet you.
I watch your videos on YouTube. What's your YouTube name?
I can't remember. Just have a look.
I'll have a look.
Have a look.
I
can't
know,
remember.
because I see it.
I don't put much up on it.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna and aircraft. Gatwick spotter, innit?